Assalamu alaikum viewers. Harvard Job Family today's third job is a great opportunity for factory and machine workers in Karachi. A well-known industrial company is hiring machine supervisor and machine operators. Your main job will be to operate and monitor factory machines, maintain daily output, and handle basic technical tasks. If you have worked with industrial machinery or mechanical tools, this job is made for you. Company offers and salary, long-term employment, and even accommodation for outstation workers. Apply now and start your career in industries manufacturing. Position will fill up. Subscribe to Hybrid Job, combining physical and online work for daily physical and online job updates.